There, all done. Hi, I'm Connor and welcome to my Brickyard. Today we're going to build like a city set with a truck sweeper. Let's see what's inside. Three bags, Dad. I'm smoothing the directions out. It has stickers. Yay. Essentially for our trash away. Bag 1. Bag 2. Bag 3. So this is a crane where they dig a dirt. So, want to get started? Let's start. For instructions, that's what we do, right? Gotta make the girl. Then we have here comes in the girl. You gotta open this, then put her in. Let's get the next book. The truck. We're building the truck next. Over here, this is bag 2. So, well, you can take this down, then this can back up, and it can go up. And this jabbers to jab this, shovels to dig, this to tighten, this is to sweep. And you have a brick wall to jab, and you have little cones to stop traffic. And ta-da! Now, so cones to stop traffic. And this guy can get out. And she'll be ready to dig and put it right in. Jab! He jabbed it all up. Jab! There, all done. That's and you gotta put the cones, you can put them in here. Now she can go back and park. No, it won't hit, the crane won't hit that. And he can close that. And there it goes. And that's the sweeper and tractor set. And if you want to get this set, go to the link below. See you next time at my Brickyard. Bye. Hey, guess what? I lost the tooth.
Okay, what's that one called?
Legacy set with a truck.